we are live on today's live stream. So happy new year to everyone. Happy new year 2024 to all of my subscribers. So I wish this new year will be very joyful, full of eventful memories for every one of you, and may you achieve everything you want in this year. And this year may be the best year in your life. That's what I wish for. So now coming to this e-commerce website, we will be building this website yesterday. And even for like 2-3 days we are developing this website. So yesterday I had like added these mobiles, right? These for mobiles like Samsung Galaxy S23, Samsung Galaxy M20, Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, Apple iPhone 12, Apple iPhone 14, Google Pixel 7 Pro, and of course I have implemented the cart functionality. If we click on add to cart, and if we go click on this cart, we have these phones, and this is subtotal of these two phones, right? If I delete one, so we have only single phone in our cart. We have subtotal of $999. And of course in the home page I have these categories of electronics, then subcategory of mobiles, laptops, processors, also menswears, and we have this, right? So today what I will do is, there are a bunch of things that are still need to be built properly. I think here it should be cart, like shopping cart should be written at the top. Let me write that quickly inside the cart. Let me quickly write shopping cart. Its text should be, let me write the class name, and its text should be large, right, and its font should be bold. Text should be, I think, extra large, XL. And I don't want it to have a white space. I think white space should be more apt. Tailwind, white space should be no wrap, white space no wrap, white space no wrap. Okay, we have this. Again, click on mobiles, and by comes to cart, we have the shopping cart, course. I think it should be block. Tailwind, display should be block actually. Display should be block. To write the display as flex. Shopping cart. should be, let me write it at the first, it's not working. working. Actually, I think I can put some breaks here, like pure HTML thing. Put everything inside there. I think I need to put this class name inside this div. This class name, add to cart. So I think width should be full here, right? So of course the padding should be 8. Shopping cart, but why there's like so much gap? Inspect this, how much this space is taking. It's not taking that much space. But what is this space? Breaks. Remove the breaks. Right now it's looking good. Okay, cool. Oh yes, happy New Year to everyone. 2024 to everyone. Wishing all of you a great year. laptops do not have images, processors do not have images. And one more thing I want to do is I want to add what I can say carousel at the top of this. For that, in the shadcn UI, we have to store the components. Inside components, there is a carousel component, and this is the component that we are looking for. Copy. Carousel main, and I want to put this all imports at the top. Remove this, and after that we need to of course install carousel. Add carousel into our project. Put a div inside cards. Inside div we will first put these cards, then after that we will put this carousel main component at the top of cards, so it will be visible to the users. Need to add the card into our project, copy it, and of course in another terminal window, npx shadcn latest add card should be added by now, right? Just fix the import, and okay, our card component is ready, carousel is ready, and let's see if it's okay. Our carousel is ready. Cool. Now inside this carousel, previous, carousel next, carousel content, carousel, it should have like padding of left around 16. every class name. Let me merge these two windows so we can work it out quickly. Course. Some pictures. First of all, I need to change their orientation. I can see their size. The margin left should be 32. And if I check here, okay, now I want to import the images from category images. Inside our cards, not the cards actually, the number inside our put in the card category items. Okay, we want to use them. Import images, images from category images, right? I want to so we have this list like array is actually rewrite it. Our categories is mobiles, laptops, and after that we have processors. These are categories of electronics items, and of course we will map these categories. We will remove this length, and that category, and we need to also add the image from next image, and I can use it inside actually have a card. Image and src is equal to images and should be category. Okay, so we have images of mobiles, laptops, and processors, right? And also I need to add the categories that are watch, shorts, full screen and the images are just too small, so I need to fix that. Okay, if I do not use card, okay, so if width is full, okay, it's all depend on width. Width should be fit content. Let me check the width. It should be fit content width. Fit. Okay. Let's try W screen. It is also just too much. 96. 96 is just too small. One thing, if I go JS, let me hide for a second our sidebar. Now let me try a bit full. Okay, then. So the thing is, I need to put a limit on this image. Height should be 56 and width should be 56. Let me try 3. 5. Okay. It should be object fit, so they will be fit properly inside their window. Again, bring back our sidebar. It is taking too much space because this image is large. So, okay, this is a little bit. Task 96. 96 is just too small. We'll try 150. 120. This let me for large screen show only 4 images. 4 is still good. If I again hide our sidebar, it's still taking this width. Okay, my margin left is 32. Let me remove it. So now do not have this. Let me just try padding. Simple padding. Okay. It's still padding. 64. Padding. Let me try padding left and padding right. 4. Let's change the images to 3 only. If I choose 2, it's taking more. It is actually according to. Let me see how we have given the class name for our image. Object contain, and I will use this same class name for this image. Div. Changing the items to 4. And change to 5. Margin. If I use the margin for everywhere. Left and margin right should be 32. Now looking for, I want to show less images, but they should be larger. .96, and let me write it 64. Root D, I don't currently have GitHub link, but I will put GitHub link when the project is completed. change the thumbnail for our live stream. We'll check it real quick. It's not still not. Refreshed. Think it will refresh again. little bit. Okay, so coming back to this carousel, this image for trouser is a little too big. So coming back to this carousel, this carousel is taking the images inside it are taking so little space. I want them to be even bigger. Let's not care about medium or large screen for now. If I set the width also to 96. Okay, now it's looking good. But still, it should be 56. Padding should be 16. Let's try padding. Okay, let's try 96. Alright, 56. Padding of top should be 8. And now, okay, we have these images. Now it's looking actually pretty good. I also want to write the names like we have written the names here. Thank you, Ankit, for liking the stream. So we have electronics, menswear, but I want to make it even more prettier. To make it more prettier, I have to actually add some border radius inside the images. So inside our home, inside the main page, so this div, okay, the product, okay, this is the product. Rounded LG. Okay, they are rounded to XL. Okay, now they are also rounded. This is another. Also, if I go to our items, this also should be rounded. And let me write here rounded to XL. Okay, so images are rounded. If I let me try to make them even more rounded, it should be 5XL or 6XL. Rounded should be okay, it's only up to 3XL. But they are not properly rounded. No, they will not work. I have to put it here, rounded to XL. Let me move it. It is not looking pretty here. It is looking prettier on this page, not this page. So actually our carousel is implemented on over this page, but I need something else. Padding of top should be only 4, and okay, images are looking good. So also if I reduce the margin from left and right, if I reduce the margin here and reduce also the margin here, so now okay, right, so they're looking pretty good. Can I add some border here? The top of carousel, border 4. Padding 4. just cancel it. It's looking prettier this way. We don't want any borders here, so I only want to add names here. So inside image I want to put names of the category, and we will use the same class inside this. Actually we'll copy this p tag, and here category. Okay, right, so we have this nice looking carousel. So I want to go to the mobiles or laptops processors page on clicking on this carousel items. So of course we need use router. For that, remove the card. We have not used that. Import use router from next router, const router, use router. Then on click of this, on click, I need to pass the category and subcategories. Category, and of course category, and I also need to pass subcategory, and of course I need to destructure here the category and subcategory. And the click of this, I want to go to simply path and product, right? We want to simply go to on the click push, and here it should be category, and this should be subcategory. Right, so on click, okay, I have written 2 times on click. I think we have to import it from navigation. Yeah, right. Now on clicking on this mobile, what is the problem? Router is not defined. Where is router not defined? Okay, we have to use router inside this, the browser main, because we need it here. Okay, so we should be rating category as main path, and it should be main path, then subcategory. Okay, actually this should be category, right? We do not need subcategory for that, and just Okay, so right, we can directly go to different pages by directly clicking on this carousel. Okay, right, so we have the images of mobiles. Still not looking in that way in which I want it to be. There is little too much padding on left and right. Let me change it inside the cards. Inside cards. Padding is just too much. Let me remove the padding. Gap. Okay. Padding should be 4. Let's check the Amazon, how they show their different fonts. On the right they have the filters applied, like the memory and its weight, screen size, processor speed. And their mobiles is just not that much large like I have put, so I need to change the size to a little bit less. I think this should be 56. Right. Hello everyone. Hello Kitna Free. Hello Vandita. Hello everyone. So we have already used carousel. Let me close this. Don't need that. So they have put some ads, like some video. Can we put some video? Actually made these buttons green, but why now they are not green? Let me try PG Lime 200. this. Didn't apply it here. Default is PG primary. So what is PG primary? Let me check in the tailwind.css. Default should be, actually let me write this PG lime 200. It should be 600. 700. Oh, let me put green here. $600 seems like okay. By add to cart, okay, right? So we have this. Hello. Hello, Vandita. So this is also a type of carousel where they have different images, different phones. There are lots of things in the Amazon, but still we need to do a lot of other things. I can make more changes inside this carousel. So let me close this button component inside our actually category items. I can even put them inside different categories. So for example, the first should be, of course, electronics. Right, so I think we have already used that inside our home page. Right, these categories, copy this, and actually let me write it here so that we don't have to keep the two copies of categories. Export it, export categories. Okay, actually there are two categories that are created. Categories data, simply make it categories data, and also categories data. Right, so here we will import categories data, from the page. No, I don't need to write this. And categories data, the first should be actually, and the name path, and the products. The thing is, I want to even map further the products dot map product, and it should return inside div. Here we will cut this, and okay, so the images should be category / product, and of course the path should be actually path / this should be name, and category, not the category actually. So we don't need this on click here, we will place it here. So this should be actually path / product. Right, so this is how it will be done. Okay, index, okay, keys index. Right, so we have these items. Let me write something inside carousel item. Here this should be name, and it should have class name of like text should be large, and font should be bold. text, let's text should be 2xl. 2xl is okay. Actually 1x, simply xl is even good. Padding bottom should be 8. This is too much. 8 is just too much. 4 is okay. So now I want this to be, let me now style this. Width should be 96. And it should have 2 items. Let me remove this class name. So inside carousel item, inside this div I need to put this products inside the div. So let me write a class name of flex. So okay, so flex wrap should be there, so the items can be wrapped according to their available space around them. Let me write the width 56. Padding bottom, let me remove it. Gap of 8. Let me write gap of 32. Okay. Gap x should be okay. Gap x should be 32. And right. So this should be even more. And their name should be product. Okay, right. justify center. Okay, now this is becoming what I want it to be. Flex justify text line should be center. Let me see in the text line, text center. Okay, text center. Okay, now it's in the center. So whereas over this it has actually height. Let me increase the height little bit to 12 to 11. Let me increase the width. Actually 10 RM is good, and 16 RM. Also the gap of Y should be 4. Can you refresh it? Let me see how they are looking. Actually this font is also taking too much space. If I remove that, and also padding of top should be only 2, and I will put a custom height for our image. Let's make it 17 or 10. Okay, 10 has reduced size a lot, so make it -4, margin top of -4, or we can even write it now -3 RM. This is looking good. So what will happen when there are too many products inside a specific category? It will Should I place it two buttons where I can switch to different layouts of our carousel? That can also be done. Constant type set type and use date. It should be type should be actually single or multiple, right? So okay, so if type is equals to single, then let me write, or so for single I need to remove the products, right? This has become too many things actually. For single I don't want to write anything. Let me also remove this. Products. So that means I have to simply write products. So to get products, let me make a empty array of products, and now I will map the categories dot for each, like, then inside category data we have category. So inside category we have category dot name. So I want to like add an item is equals to so there should be even further. We have const products inside our category. So now I can again run the for each command for products, and then product, let me set an item is equals to category. I can say category is category, and of course product is product, and I want to push it inside products dot push item, right? Then I can simply map the products. I don't need to map this thing. So inside the products we have these two items, category and product, right? So category is this and product is this, image is product, and okay. Let me console.log the products. I think there is problem with our code actually. Let me console this. Item, Right, so it has actually the path, right? Of course, name, path, and we will use the same name path here. And here inside this, we have name path. It should be path course. We have categories data, and inside we have name path products, right? Name path products, and I'm mapping products for each category. Then products, right? Then I'm mapping product, and it has item of name path product. And if we again render it, so we have electronics. It is good, but why we're not getting it into product? Okay, it's I think conflict of names. So we have these items rendered. It should be four items should be rendered here. And height should be 72. Let me comment this out. Okay, so the problem is inside this item, products carousel lot item. I think let me check again the code for the shadcn carousel. And here we have this example. Okay, so they have carousel item inside this. So we have also carousel item. Don't need name actually. Remove the name from this. Let me remove the div from here. I will put the conflict event here and remove this div, remove this div. But why it's not rendering properly now? Initially it was rendering perfectly. We make it to 2, make it to 4. Console.products. Let me console the products. I forgot to write products.push item, right? So now we have inside our product these items, 6 items actually, but inside this we have mobile laptops, processors. Okay, why we have 12 items here? Let me put all this code inside this, and let me write products should be here, and here should be products, destructure product. It is same product array. Actually, I had put this here, that's why it was running like this. Yeah, my mistake. Actually, I had put one copy of this below this curly braces, so that's why that was not rendering properly. So now we have our carousel rendered properly. Let me change something. Let me change the height. Okay, let me change the width now. Okay, let me change the height now. So it's all dependent upon width. So the width should be higher. If I check the height, how it's looking, let me see. It's looking good. So we have the width of 24 rem and height of 18 rem. Width of 24 rem and height of 18 rem, and of course this should be -4, or I can say -5. Okay, this is good. Let me go to another images, so they are working perfectly. Right. So I'm taking a little break of 20 minutes. I will be back after 20 minutes. Hello everyone, I am back on this live stream after a little break. So we have made our carousel. Now I want to download images for our laptops. Right? So for carousel also I need hover effect. The hover effect of pointer should be pointer, cursor should be pointer, cursor pointer, okay, right? So can I on hover also change the background color PG to something like slate, very light background color? No, I want it to be only on hover. Let me combine these two windows so we can work quickly, right? Do we have the 50? Yes, I want very light. We do not need carousel for now. Tailwind, let me see how many windows we have open. Only one window. For these laptops, I also need to download images for our laptops, right? So let me for a second close this tailwind window. Laptop image, actually zoom out 200, and first I will search for MacBook Pro. The images, was it MacBook Pro, and for MacBook Pro we have, I think, this image, say this image inside our phones, not the phones. Create a new folder, inside images, create new folder named laptops, right? Also, yeah, so first laptops, and what happened? Okay, so here it should be, its name should be, let me go to our data items, inside laptops, its name should be example, MacBook Pro, right? So close it, close cards, close layouts, close category image. So inside images we have simply the images of fonts, right? So I need to add something like inside our app. Product images, right? Product images. So inside product images I want to first there should be electronics, related to electronics, and inside that there should be mobiles, right? So inside image.js I will copy all these things to file.js. Category image, so category image can stay here, I think, or I can also put category images inside the product images. Now let me check the cards. Mobiles is actually working. So first let me delete this. Now we will get an error, I think. So inside cards, here we have the cards. So I need to import for mobiles. I need to write mobiles, right? So inside card I will import mobiles. Mobiles from product images, and category images, not the category images, it's electronics, and of course mobiles, right? So okay. So we got into a new problem, but this issue can be resolved by putting mobiles inside this. And of course, inside mobiles, we have to actually wait. Import from I think there should be extra double dot inside the address. So I think now it will work. So the problem should be now inside our home component. So we write import product. Wait a minute. In the source we have inside app we have product images, category images, and I should write it category images, right, inside page.js. Let me import category images. No, not the category items. I need to import category images from product images, category images, and of course I need to write category images in place of images, right? So I think I had used image somewhere else. I think that is inside cart. Right? Yep. Import mobiles from product images and electronics, and of course mobiles. And here where is the problem? Source app images.js comps images.js. Let me search here. In the view, let me search image.js. Oh, there's no result for images.js. Explorer. We start our server, close this, and close our running server. Let me run it again. Where is that? Category items. Okay, category items. Course import category images from category images, and right inside this category images. Okay, so our app is working now again. product images or category images. Actually, I can improve this code a lot. I mean, I can put something like product images.js, and of course I can export const product images, and of course we would have like categories. For example, electronics, right? Then again category, subcategory like mobiles. Then inside that mobiles we would have, let me remove the cart, close it. Okay, mobiles, just like that. Category image is okay, don't need to do anything to that. So what I need to do is I can delete this category electronics. I don't need to do something like to product images and product images, right? So here need to rename it. Let me name it and copy codes, import from .jpg. Of course I need to make a category for them, like this is a category, laptops, phones, and inside images I need to create something like so first should be of course electronics, and phone should be inside electronics, and laptops of course should be inside electronics, right? So let me change this to images, electronics, then phones. Okay, so of course we will repeat that for other phones. I need to actually create something for our import in the keyboard shortcuts, not the keyboard shortcuts, use snippets. For JavaScript, I need to add something for import. It should be simply IM. Or I can simply import. Its prefix should be simply IM, and body should be, for now, import one, and from, then actually it should have wait a minute, where is our product images? I need to copy everything. Copy here, keyboard shortcuts, close this, JavaScript JSON. I need to all this, of course not this. Here we will add our, so when I import it, it will first take me to here, and then it will take me to here. So close it. Now try it. Simply I import, right? So Apple iPhone 14 Pro from phones pro.jpg, then Google Pixel 7 Pro wow, so it should be phones, and then Google Pixel 7 Pro .jpg, also import from Samsung Galaxy M20, phones M20.jpg, and also Samsung Galaxy S23, of course, then copy, then phones .jpg. The last we have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. Actually, sorry, it's 10. And then phones .jpg, right? And right. Apple iPhone 12, Apple now Google Pixel 7 Pro, Samsung Galaxy M20, Samsung Galaxy S23, and Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. So this should be inside mobiles. I can right here comment it out that it is for mobiles, right? Now after that, imports should be of laptops. Now we can download the images for laptops. Like here I can download image for images, electronics, then laptops, Apple, MacBook Pro. Then inside laptops we have Apple MacBook Pro .png, Apple MacBook Pro laptops. Then of course need to copy this. .png, right? So inside this we have laptops, inside our data, I am now downloading the images for laptops. Close this card and collapse everything. Inside images, specifically for laptops, right? So now I need to download for Dell XPS 15. Dell XPS 15, and for that there's the image from Dell. I will download that. Dell XPS 15. And we have Dell XPS 15 on laptops.jpg. The next image we're going to download is HP Spectre X360. HP Spectre 360. We will download this image. HP Spectre X360, and of course import Spectre and X360 from laptops.webp. Now we will download Lenovo's laptop. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and this is the laptop we are looking for. It is Lenovo ThinkPad X1 and Carbon, right? Okay, so we have import Lenovo X1 laptop, Lenovo ThinkPad. This do not seem like an image. I think this is the image. Let me delete this image. We'll download this image. Lenovo ThinkPad X1. Where is the X1? Okay, X1 Carbon. Copy it, save it, here we'll do port and laptops dot. It's again AVIF format. I don't know if it is actual image. Okay, we will try it. The next is the Asus laptop. Asus. Asus ROG. The Zephyrus G14. Download it as Asus ROG. Zephyrus G14, right? So Asus, let me remove it. Zephyrus G14, right? So this is our laptop. Copy it, save it, and here import this laptop from laptops dot what is extension .jpg. So the last laptop now we are going to download is Acer Predator Helios 300. Acer Predator Helios 300. Now we download this Acer Predator Helios 300. Copy it and import laptops. What it is extension. This extension is .jpg, right? So now inside laptops, right, we have downloaded the images. So inside laptops we will use all these. Dell and HP, then Lenovo ThinkPad, then Asus ROG, after that Acer Predator Helios 300. So I'm going to first I have exported these product images. Now I am going to test those images inside our cards. Let me hide our sidebar. Okay, so now inside cards. Okay, so I'm going to import product images from product images, right? What I will do is okay, so product images will get image from the category, then subcategory, right? First it will category, then the subcategory, then the image name. Okay, so this is, I think, one image is not valid. No ThinkPad. I need to download it again. Wait a minute, something is wrong. Okay, so here we have inside our images for laptops. I need to delete this image. And now I think okay, now here should be JPG. Now our laptops, sorry, phones are rendered. We see about laptops. So electronics, laptops images should be there actually forever. Inside our data we have not properly added their names. I think inside mobiles we have added a field like image for every entry. Laptops.json also. Here we have our product images. Then first is this. And second is this Next.js, right? Then after that image, okay, so right, our laptops are now rendered. Let me go to right. So even our laptops are now rendered properly. Okay. So if I go to mobiles, we have mobiles. I go to laptops. We have the laptops page. Now I need to change here filters. When I click on mobiles, the mobiles filter should be here. When I click on laptops, laptops filter should be here. Let's check how the Amazon do it. Search for mobiles. Okay, we are in the mobiles category, so we have mobiles for different companies. So here are all the filters, even the brand name are there. So okay, from here, how can I go to other categories? So, okay, here are the categories. They are doing it differently. Even here are different categories. Shop by category, mobile and computers, on mobile phones, then on laptops. Then it will take me to the laptops page. Everything is differently made. Go to Dell, there will be deals for Dell laptops. Then we have these categories. So the thing is, I have to put these inside, like here at the top. So on the top should be this electronics, mobiles, laptops, processors, like we have done in the code soak. We have these categories, then the subcategories. That thing should be here. So I need to render these fields on the top, and the filter should be here. Okay, on the left hand side, and there should be other button like this. Results should be here, and there should be a button to sort the items according to price or their relevance for customer every review. Still in the details, we need to also add okay, localhost. Inside our cart, of course, we need to make changes. Import product images, right? So like we have done in the cards, we have card, this is the card.js. So the source should be this, like this, of course, in the image of card. So it should be like this, right? And here localhost images, product details. Actually, this is the cards, also inside product details. Import product images, and of course in the source we need to change it according to our category and subcategory. Right, now if we go to mobiles, if we go to this, we have the details, but I also need to add the comments here, user average review. There is so much thing that is still need to be done here. Like here for this laptop, and there are there is special page for it. Review. You can see how complicated the Amazon website is. This is all the details of this laptop. So there's still lots of things that needs to be done, right? So cover those things in the next live stream. Today's live stream has become almost of like 3.5 hours long. So I think we should say bye-bye, right? So yeah, thank you everyone for watching this live stream. We'll meet tomorrow.